Hey pool and spa owners, it's Rob with Inyo Pools. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate the wet end on a spa pump. We're using a waterway spa pump, but the same instructions can be applied to pretty much every brand of spa pump. And they're going to come from the factory with this vertical discharge. And a lot of hot tub manufacturers will plumb it, so the pump needs to have a horizontal discharge, so this needs to be rotated. The only tool we'll be using today is a 1/4 inch nut driver. Some of the motors may require a different size, but the 1/4 inch is probably the most common. So let's get started. Alright, so you look here, there are 4 bolts that run through the entire motor that secure the wet end. So what you have to do is loosen those 4 bolts from the very back. You'll see one here, and then 2 on the bottom. And when you loosen those, you just want to loosen them just enough to where it frees up the wet end. You don't want to pull them out because this whole motor is connected together. All these parts are connected by these bolts. So you just want it, again, just enough to where you can rotate the wet end. Alright, this will give you an idea how far I had to back the screws out to loosen up the wet end. And it's free now, so I'll be able to rotate it. Alright, now you can see it's rotated to be a side or a horizontal discharge at a 90-degree angle. Then all we have to do now is tighten those screws back up. Okay, so the through bolts are tightened at the back, and we now have a horizontal discharge wet end, and it would be ready to go, ready to be plumbed in now. If you have any questions on this subject or anything else pool or spa related, leave a comment down below or visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.